Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore Grigora's free tool, Image Alt Text Checker. This tool is designed to help you quickly identify missing alt text on your website's images, ensuring better accessibility and SEO. You can access it directly using the link in the video description, or you can simply search on Google for Image Alt Text Checker Grigora free tool and open the first link. Once you open the tool, you'll see an input field where you can enter the page URL. Let's try a demo. I'll paste a web page URL into the input field. Next, just click the Check Images button. The tool will instantly provide an audit summary showing the total number of images, how many are missing alt text, and how many are optimized. It also lists the specific images with missing alt text so you can fix them easily. And that's it! That is how you can ensure your images are fully optimized for search engines and screen readers. Grigora offers a wide range of free tools to help with writing, SEO, and design, so be sure to explore the full collection to boost your productivity. See you in the next tutorial.